Hi everyone, I'm Vandenburg with Dress Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to attach breast forms with tape. But not this tape. So today we're going to be using some of these Proform tapes from Dress Tech, and these tapes are made with a double-sided medical grade adhesive, so they're skin safe, they're waterproof, they're reusable, and of course they're made by Dress Tech in the USA. So these Proform tape packets come with instructions, a bunch of these breast form tapes, and a dozen of these skin tack wipes, which we'll go over in just a minute. So of course, these are available in a traditional V shape, which maybe you've seen before, and that allows you to put usually 3 pieces onto your breast form, and that'll be enough to hold it onto your chest. But even better, if you have the Dress Tech Proforms like I do, Dress Tech makes these tapes available in each size and shape of the Proform line. So you can get, we call them precision tapes that will fit your breast forms exactly. And this has a few advantages. First of all, this is 3 times stronger than a traditional V tape, and that means you can go braless with just 1 piece. But more importantly, because it fits the breast form, it's going to follow the edges very closely and do a much better job of holding those edges down while I'm wearing it. So big improvement. If you've got the Proforms, you can get these precision tapes from Dress Tech. Now on to instructions. The first thing is surface prep. So I'm taking a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to wipe my skin, get off any oils and such. And I'm also going to give my breast form a quick wipe. Even if these are new, it's especially important to clean them with alcohol because when they're new, they tend to have a little bit of mold release residue on them. So go ahead and wipe that off. We're starting with clean bonding surfaces, and now we're ready to take one of our tapes. I'm just going to peel off the backing. And I'm just going to line it up. Press it on there. Now I can remove the other backing. And it's all set to stick onto my chest. Now this is what's called a pressure sensitive adhesive. So when you do this, you're going to want to hold pressure just for a minute, just for a moment. It doesn't take long. And the adhesive will basically flow out and do its thing. This is very securely bonded, and the edges are held down all the way around the breast form by that precision tape, and it's really that easy. Now let's talk about reusing your tape. So after you've worn your breast form, you'll find that that tape is less sticky because it's picked up oils and dead skin cells and things from your skin. So you're going to take one of the included skin tack wipes, and this is basically going to clean and rejuvenate this breast form tape. So just give it a good wipe all the way around. And this tape is now clean and sticky and ready to use again. So if you take care of your tapes properly, a lot of people get anywhere from 3 to 5 uses out of each tape, and that'll save you a lot of money in the long run. Now, if you run out of the skin tack wipes, you can also use isopropyl alcohol, but you want the 99%. The 70% stuff that you typically find for first aid isn't going to cut it. 99% works great. So after you've used your breast form tape several times and it's not getting as sticky as you'd like, it's time to replace it. But don't bother taking it off just yet. What you can do is you can apply another tape right over the top of it. And you can do that 4 or 5 times until you build up a bunch of layers, and then you can take them off all at once. And that'll save you a bunch of time. You don't have to take it off every time. And a quick word of caution, when you do remove the breast form tape, try to be very gentle with your breast form. Usually the hardest part is getting an edge started, but once you get the edge going, usually the rest of the tape follows without any trouble. So that's how to use the breast form tapes from Dress Tech, but another great option for attaching your breast forms is the Dress Tech breast form adhesive. And I'll put a link to this at the end of the video, but this works really well too. I would have to say the breast form adhesive is a little bit stronger, but the tapes are almost as strong, but without the mess. So definitely a little trade-off there. The choice is really up to you, but with whichever method you go with, you'll find everything you need at the Dress Tech store.